Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add file on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Wix, I want you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding files to your Wix website allows you to share documents, images, audio files, or other downloadable content with your visitors. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to these sites, and that's going to be on the left side panel of your dashboard, and open the Wix editor. Now, inside the Wix editor, there's going to be something like an add plus button, and that's going to be the add elements. For example, if you wanted to add an image right here, you can simply click on the upload and import. You can upload images or you can import images. Say, for example, get photos from your Facebook account, from your Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, and link URL. But in my case, since I have been creating tutorial videos in the past that you might want to check some of our other topics on our YouTube channel, I'm going to hover to the site files instead, because from here, I'm going to click on upload media and upload from computer. Now, all I have to do is click on add page, and basically that's one of the multiple ways on how you can add file on Wix, right? I'm going to delete this one for now. And of course, you can also add elements, something like a button. For example, that's going to be a download button here. And you can click on download. And of course, you can put in on the settings here where you can choose the link to. For example, is it going to be a document? You can simply choose a file from the something like this one. So these are going to be your multiple ways again to add a file here on Wix, right? Because doing so will making it a convenient way for your visitors to download files or open images here. You also have the option for the media and the CMS on the left side panel. You can upload your media, Facebook, and all of these options. You can also edit image and videos here, like a video maker. So these are some of your options. All right, there's a lot. Even if you click on the add elements again on the you see, there's going to be an image button for PDFs. You can also do that. And by following these steps, you can easily add and manage files in your Wix website, making it a valuable resource for your visitors. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.